Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. And yes, I have something I ordered from TEMU that I think it's so important that a lot of us don't even realize it. It's an adapter. It's a USB to USB-C adapter. You know, we all have USB ports, but not too many USB-C ports. And this is an adapter I received. I ordered it on TEMU and it came in a couple of days. I just want to show you what it looks like. It looks just like this, and this thing is awesome. It replaces the USB. You just plug it right in, and now you have a USB-C. I'm going to just give you an example. Here's a USB-C cable, and I want to just tap it right in here. It plugs right in, super easy. So if you get a bunch of USB ports and some new USB-C cables to use, you need an adapter. Very reasonable. I'll post a link down below in this video. Check that out. This is an awesome thing. It works fantastic. I tested it for quite a while, and it's good build quality. It comes in this little package like that you see here, and it just pops in. So now I have a USB to USB if I want to, or if I wanted this USB-C into my computer, I plug it right in, and here is the adapter. Super easy to use, and definitely worth. Instead of buying all new cables, you don't have to. You just basically buy some adapters and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.